Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss the option to define the validity period for a cash card. To configure this, open Logic Admin, go to Global Settings, and under Pause 3 options, locate the setting labeled Cash Card Valid Days. In the provided field, enter the desired number of days for which the cash card should remain valid. For example, if we set the value to 30 days, it means the cash card will be usable only within 30 days from its issue or activation date. After this period, the card will be considered expired, and any remaining balance will no longer be usable for billing. Once you have defined the validity days, save the changes and restart the software to ensure the settings take effect. Open the Sale Bill window, initiate a new transaction, and enter a cash card number that has crossed its validity period. As soon as you attempt to save the voucher, the system will block the entry and display an error message indicating that the cash card has expired, thereby preventing its use in the billing process.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.